Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel, and today we're reviewing the new AutoGlym Polar range. So I'm going to do this over 3 videos. I'm going to be using the same car, but yeah, we're going to release them over 3 nights. So tonight's video is the AutoGlym PolarBlast, which this is a Snowfoam. We've done the previous version of this. I think that was maybe like 8 months ago. And yeah, a lot of people have watched that. There's a few comments on there to say that the Snowfoam doesn't actually clean that well. But yeah, we've got a dirty car today, so yeah, we're gonna see how well it does actually clean, and hopefully, yeah, you'll see that the newer and improved version cleans a lot better than the old one. Not that I don't think the old one did clean well, but yeah, we'll see how much more it does clean. So this Snowfoam, it is well, on the front of the bottle it just says ensure complete coverage with a high density foam blanket. So this is going to be pretty much the same as the old product, just a revised product, I guess. So we'll go through the how to use. So before you start, check that bodywork and wheels are cool to touch and out of direct sunlight. So yeah, this car's pretty cold now, so yeah, we should be good on that one. Then number 2, PolarBlast can be used in various dilutions depending on the density of foam desired. A good starting point is 100ml product to 500ml water in your foaming bottle. So now we'll just switch to the dilution. So I'm putting 200ml of the product in the Snowfoam lance, and then yeah, I'm filling the rest up with water. So and then on that instruction, it says adjust the foam settings as required to increase or reduce the foam. So after that, the next instruction is spray PolarBlast onto the vehicle, starting from the bottom, ensuring all exterior surfaces are covered, including the glass and wheels. Leave PolarBlast to dwell and loosen the dirt for up to 10 minutes, although do not allow it to dry on. So that's what we're going to do. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to clean the wheels with the AutoGlym wheel cleaning mousse. I've already done a review on this, so if you head back a few weeks ago, yeah, you'll find that video. So let's start with the wheels, and then yeah, we'll apply the Snowfoam. Okay, so we've cleaned the wheels now. I've still left some wheel cleaner on because the wheels are quite dirty. Let's go ahead and apply the Snowfoam from the bottom of the car up, and yeah, it says that you can leave it to dwell for up to 10 minutes, so that's what we're going to do. While it's dwelling, I'll clean the barrels of the wheels just so they've had a good clean, and then after around 5 to 10 minutes we'll pressure washer it off, and then yeah, we'll see if it's cleaned or not. Okay, so this has been on the car 10 minutes now. I've cleaned all the inside of the wheels, which, well, yeah, we're really filthy. If you want to see the video on the wheel cleaning mousse from AutoGlym, like I said previously in the video, if you head back a few videos, yeah, you can see that. So let's wash this off now, and then we'll see how well it's cleaned. Okay, so I've just rinsed that off. Yeah, the Snowfoam was really thick, how I diluted it. So I just diluted it 200 ml of Snowfoam to the rest water, which was about 800 ml in that Snowfoam length. So the Snowfoam, well, I left it to dwell for around about 10 minutes, and it's cleaned pretty well. What I'll do now is I'll put some before pictures on, so you can see how dirty it was, and then I'll put some after pictures on as well. You can see all, like, most of the muck on the side of the car has gone, which is good. Means that the cleaning power of the Snowfoam is, well, is high, and yeah, it's actually done something. So yeah, the Snowfoam was really thick, which that's what we like. It stayed around on the car to dwell for around about 10 minutes, which yeah, gave me enough time to clean all the wheels properly, which is a decent enough time. And it's getting quite warm now, but the Snowfoam didn't dry on the car, which yeah is another bonus as well. So this Snowfoam, this is £17 for the bottle, which sounds quite a bit, but it's in a 2.5 litre bottle. So normally you get like 500 ml bottles, which are about maybe anywhere in the region of £8 to £12. So for £17, yeah, it's not a bad buy, and I've used hardly any. Yeah, I've used like 200 ml. So you're going to get a fair few washes out of this, and it does actually work as a product. So what I'll do is I'll leave the link below for this product. Cheers for Sean at AutoGlym for sending these out. So what I'll do is, yeah, now I'm going to finish this video, and we're going to go on to, so tomorrow's video will be the Polar Wash. So this is another product from the Polar range from AutoGlym. So these products are all brand new. So the next video that I'll put live tomorrow is, yeah, the Polar Wash. So this is sort of like a shampoo Snowfoam product, which is a weird way to wash a car, but yeah, we'll see how it works. So cheers for watching this video. Make sure you leave a subscribe and a like if you like what you saw, and a comment to, well, if you've got any comments on the video. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow for the next video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!